So, I don't know if you can hear it, but there are gunshots outside. I guess that's how he's shooting drones down. So yeah, just to be safe, I don't get shot, because a friend of mine had their window shot by a soldier's bullet. So, I'm gonna try to put this camera on the window ledge so you can maybe see what's going on. Because yeah, it would suck to, get hit by a bullet for a stupid video. So let's see. It's quiet now. But yeah, we're currently in a air raid alert, and there's been a lot of attacks. I mean, it's a good day for it, It's very cloudy and misty, so hard to visually intercept drone attacks, so yeah. But it is what it is. Sometimes it be that way. So there was just an impact. Another one. 3. 2 explosions. And the birds are scared and stuff. Poor little birds. Hopefully it was an interception, because power cuts stink. Oh, we'll see. Fly. Up, up, and away, birds. There were just some more explosions. There's been about 6 or 7 so far, it seems. Nice morning, though. Very pretty and sunny. But yeah. Explosions and already. Well, just heard 2 close explosions. That lady there is running. Run, lady, run. Dun, 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 dun. And that lady over there is just cleaning the roadway there with the broom. Huh, so casual. That car's speeding up. Good morning, little birds. More explosions. Sometimes it be that way. Okay, I guess it's chill again.